This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Social Security in 30 Minutes. Today I'll be talking about COLA in Social Security, or cost of living adjustments. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. We're going to be talking about the cost of living adjustment for 2023 that the Social Security Administration just released. And there's some good news and maybe some not so good news about that. The good news is that it's going up to 8.7% starting in January 2023. That means if your Social Security benefit check for retirement is, let's say, $1,000 per month, it's going to be going up to $1,087 per month. And basically, as Emily described in the book, a cost of living adjustment is something that the Social Security Administration calculates every year. And basically, what they need to do is they take a look at the consumer price index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. This generally matches inflation. And if that rate is going up by, let's say, 8%, the COLA will go up 8%. But you should also keep in mind that sometimes the COLA does not go up 8%. For instance, if it's a 2% increase in the CPIW, the Consumer Price Index, the COLA will only be adjusted for 2%. And then, as you can see from this chart in the book, some years there's no COLA increase. That's when inflation's really low, like in 2015 and 2010 and 2009. However, this year, it's actually quite high. If you take a look at the Social Security website, they explain it's 8.7%, which means you'll be getting, let's say, a $1,000 retirement benefit every month. Instead, you'll be getting a $1,087 retirement benefit every month. The Social Security Administration also notes that if you go to My Social Security, you can see, that's the official Social Security website, you can see more information about what your monthly benefit is. And one thing that I'd like to say is that while it sounds great that you're getting, for a $1,000 benefit, you're getting an extra $87 every month, that may not cover the costs of the things that you buy, because inflation basically affects all kinds of things that you may buy, such as gasoline or food or rent, things like that. So even while you're getting $87 more, the stuff that you're buying is also getting more expensive. And anyone right now, currently food is getting more expensive all the time in the supermarkets. I've noticed that right away. And gasoline, certainly that fluctuates in accordance with what's going on in the world. So the COLA increase may help out with that, but it may not be enough for certain types of things, because some things rise faster than inflation while other things don't rise that much at all. For more information on how to get the most out of Social Security, we have a book about Social Security, retirement, and disability benefits. It's called Social Security in 30 Minutes. It's written by Emily Pogue, who is an expert in this field. It's available from in30minutes.com. Also, if this video helps you out, you'd like to see more like them, like the video and follow this channel on YouTube. And you see 2 new videos every week on average about the different topics that In 30 Minutes Guides covers. Thank you so much for watching.